So recently I had a pretty bad power outage which caused that when I tried to once again turn on my PS5, it didn't turn on even when all of the lights and all electricity was back. But I was able to fix it. After a couple of time to research this problem, I was able to find the solution. So basically what happens when there is a quick power outage is that sometimes there's going to be some electricity basically stuck, I guess like stuck either in the PS5 or somewhere around the cables and stuff like that. And what you need to do is that you need to pull out all the cables, so power cable, HDMI cable, and other things that you might also have inside of your PS5. Like USB and stuff like that as well. So you need to pull all of them out, and you need to wait, I would say wait like 10 minutes and then plug it back in. This kind of miraculously fixed it for me as well. But I know that probably this will not fix it for everybody, but I think a majority will experience a fix by just removing all the cables that is connected to your PS5, wait about 10 minutes, plug them back in and try once again. And if you do, by the way, see any lights on your PlayStation, so any lights right here, that indicates that it's actually trying to turn it on, but it's still not turning on, you need to also, if you can, just click and hold this button right here, the power button. Click and hold for about 15 seconds, and then you should be able to see all of those lights go down. And you can click once again and see if that helps to turn it back on. Sometimes that fixes it as well. But the best fix is to honestly just remove all the power cables inserted into your PS5, wait 10 minutes and try once again, and hopefully that will be able to fix it for you as well.